When it comes to window replacement, homeowners in Clearwater, Florida, are often faced with the decision of whether to tackle the project themselves, DIY, or hire a professional window replacement service. Each option comes with its own set of advantages and challenges, and the right choice depends on factors such as your budget, time, skill level, and the complexity of the project. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of DIY window replacement versus hiring professionals, helping you make an informed decision that best suits your needs. DIY window replacement. Pros and cons. Many homeowners are drawn to the idea of handling a window replacement project on their own, especially if they're looking to save money on labor costs. However, DIY window replacement can be a big undertaking that requires time, effort, and skill. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of this approach. Pros of DIY window replacement. Cost savings. The most obvious benefit of DIY window replacement is the potential for saving money. By doing the work yourself, you can avoid the cost of professional labor, which can account for a significant portion of the overall window replacement expense. This can be especially appealing if you're working with a tight budget. Control over the project. When you take on a DIY window replacement, you have full control over the process. You can choose the windows you want, determine the timeline for the project, and ensure that every detail meets your expectations. You will also have the satisfaction of completing the project yourself, which can be rewarding. Flexibility in scheduling. With DIY installation, you're not dependent on a contractor's schedule. You can plan and complete the project when it's most convenient for you, without having to coordinate with professionals or wait for their availability. This flexibility can be a great advantage if you're working around other home projects or personal commitments. Cons of DIY window replacement. Lack of experience and expertise. Window replacement is a complex task that requires skill, precision, and experience. Incorrect measurements, improper installation, or poor sealing can lead to issues such as drafts, water leaks, or even damage to the surrounding walls or window frame. Without professional training, it can be easy to make costly mistakes that are difficult to fix. Time-consuming. Replacing windows is a time-intensive project. Even for experienced DIYers, installing windows can take several hours or even days per window, depending on the size and type of the window. For homeowners who have limited time or experience, the process can quickly become overwhelming, and mistakes can extend the timeline even further. Limited warranty and insurance. When you replace windows yourself, you may not be eligible for the same warranties or insurance coverage that professionals provide. Many window manufacturers offer warranties that are only valid if the windows are installed by certified professionals. Additionally, if something goes wrong during the installation, you may not be covered by insurance, leaving you liable for any damages. Professional window replacement. Pros and cons. Hiring a professional window replacement company in Clearwater can provide peace of mind and ensure that the job is done right. However, it does come with some additional costs. Let's explore the pros and cons of opting for professional installation. Pros of professional window replacement. Expert installation. One of the biggest advantages of hiring professionals is their expertise. Certified window installers have the training and experience to handle all aspects of window replacement, including proper measurements, fitting, sealing, and insulation. Professional installers can ensure that the windows are installed correctly the first time, avoiding the risk of issues like drafts, water damage, or improper operation. Time efficiency. Professional window replacement companies are equipped with the tools and resources needed to complete the job quickly and efficiently. What might take a DIY several days to complete can often be finished in just a few hours by a team of experienced installers. This means less disruption to your daily life and a faster turnaround time for your project. Extended warranties and guarantees. Most professional window installation companies offer warranties on both the windows and the installation work. This provides you with peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong, you're covered. Additionally, many contractors are insured, so if damage occurs during installation, you won't be responsible for the cost. Higher quality results. With professional installation, you can expect high-quality results. Professionals will ensure the windows are properly sealed, fitted, and insulated, which can improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. This can lead to lower heating and cooling costs in the long run. Cons of professional window replacement. Higher initial cost. The most obvious downside of hiring professionals is the higher cost. You'll pay not only for the windows but also for the labor involved in the installation process. While this ensures quality results, it can be a significant investment, especially if you're replacing multiple windows in your home. Scheduling and availability. Professional installers often have busy schedules, especially during peak seasons. You may need to plan ahead and book an appointment in advance. This can be inconvenient if you're eager to get the project done quickly, or if you have specific time constraints. Limited control over the process. When you hire a professional, you relinquish some control over the project. You'll have to trust the installers to handle everything from window selection to installation. While most professionals strive to meet your expectations, there may be instances where their approach or choices don't align with your preferences. Conclusion. Which option is right for you? The decision between DIY and professional window replacement in Clearwater depends on your individual needs, skill level, and budget. If you have the time, experience, and patience to handle the installation yourself, DIY window replacement can be a cost-effective option. However, if you prefer expert results, faster installation, and the peace of mind that comes with warranties and insurance, hiring a professional is likely the better choice. For many homeowners in Clearwater, the benefits of professional window replacement, such as expert installation, time savings, and long-term performance, make it the smartest choice. Whatever you decide, The most important thing is to ensure that your new windows are installed correctly to maximize their energy efficiency, performance, and aesthetic appeal.